Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this racing style gaming chair that this brand sent to me for the video. I tried it already, and I think this one it could be really cool for a couple scenarios. So if you're a gamer, that could be really good for your setup. Also, if you have kids and you want them to initiate kind of like in the gaming world with their setups and gaming setups and things like that, this one could be also a good one because it is a basic gaming chair, like a racing style gaming chair, but looks good. It is comfortable too. It comes with a nice features that I really like. The assembly process, everything comes explained right here. It is super easy to install. I think it took me probably like 15 minutes with power tools. Just follow the instructions. It is really, really easy. You're not gonna get it in a bad way. The other thing that I like about this one is that it supports 300 pounds. So that's actually a lot of weight just compared by the size of the chair, because it's not one of those like, like big and tall office chairs or something like that. You can see I'm 5'10" and I weigh 190 pounds. And this one right here, it's not for super tall people, but still it could be good for people up to 6.2, 6.3, I believe. It comes with a really nice pillow over here, but you know what? I'm gonna just shut up and take you on a closer look. So as I was telling you before, a couple of things about this one. You can remove this pillow if you don't want to, or you can put it right here in this section. But I do like to think that this one is meant to be for here, just to have some kind of like support on your head, because this one is gonna be more for your neck. And I'm gonna show you why in a few seconds. This one could be also good. You can adjust the lumbar support over here. You can just like put it kind of like in a lower position or taller position. I do like it to be kind of like in a mid position over there. And I do want to say a few things. So this armrest, these are not going to be movable. You can just like flip them, or you can't modify the height, because this one, which by the way, they are padded, they go with the chair when it reclines. So let me show you that one to you in a few seconds. But first of all, this one right here, it has a nice high density foam. So it's going to be a good one for sitting for long periods of time. This is how it looks in the back. And then let me show you some features about just resting in this chair. Like every other chair, you can modify the height of the chair. That's actually really nice. And also comes right here, you're going to see a dedicated footrest, which is not super easy to kind of like take out of the position, I want to say. It's not really, really easy, but I think you can actually do a few things. You can add some grease if you want, just right here in the middle section, or you can actually, if you want, you can just like keep using it until it gets like a little bit loose. I may have adjusted that one too much, so make your own try. But once that you get it out, you can see that this leg rest, because it's not a foot rest, it's a leg rest, it's right here on your legs, not on your ankles. Then pair with the pillow, pair with the lumbar support, and then pair with this one over here, makes it to be a really nice chair for napping. This one kind of like just chilling in between gaming sessions, just chilling in between home office, working from home, or just like productivity. This one makes it to be a really nice one, which by the way, you can lock in any position, as you can see, or you can just unlock it, go back all the way, lock the position right here on the backrest, and just enjoy a really nice resting position, and also a 90-degree sitting position for long sitting periods of time. I like this chair. I think it could be really good for those scenarios that I told you. I'll give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.